don't stress about waking up in the morning to like fix my hair anymore. I don't have those stressors. Now let me tell you guys this. And I love the fact that she's like, after I've washed this, it's actually not how it went at all. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. First things first, my name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So if y'all didn't know, you about to know, I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel. Now you know, and you might as well hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. Anyways, if y'all can't tell, my videos aren't scripted like at all. This is off the dome. Off the dome. This is me off pure coffee beans to be exact. Little rice milk in there, you know, spice it up. Anyway, so we know what you're here for. The most professional headband wig yet that I've seen out here in these streets. This headband wig is from IDefine hair, and if you guys want to see my review on my thoughts, pricing, and all the information on this wig, make sure you keep watching. So here she is right here. This is the box that she came in, and I'm gonna show you guys all the little trinkets that came inside. So the first thing I must say opening up the box are these beautiful headbands, you guys. I have not seen headband in any of these wigs like this. They're like these iridescent colors. I'm excited to find something to match with these, so I'll definitely be able to accessorize these. So last but not yet least, they give you a little bag of trinkets to help install your wig, and I think that's nice. Even though it's not a full-on wig install, they know that maybe you are a casual wig wearer, and they still give you the tools to do that. So those are all the items that come in the box, you guys. Of course, then there's the wig, and I'm gonna take the wig off so you guys can see, and I'm gonna style it for you and show you guys all the different ways that you can style this wig, okay? So as you guys already know, she is a headband wig, and the headband is black, of course. She is a bob wig, and this wig that I do have is in 12 inches, y'all. I have worn her for a good week, so I'm so excited to be able to give you guys a review on her because I have actually tested her out, and I've worn her to work so many times, and I've gotten just so many compliments, and that's why honestly I think this is like the best professional wig. Also, the hair feels extremely thick. This hair is great quality hair as far as I'm concerned. The ends are not choppy at all, and they're super thick as well. I did wash this wig and let her air dry to get these waves, you guys. I have not put any heat in this wig. This is how she actually air dried. I just put her on one of my wig heads, and this is how she came out, and I just plop her on my head every day and take her off at night. This is the construction of the wig. You do have your combs here inside. There are no adjustable straps on the back, just so you guys are aware of that. And then of course in the back there is that headband slash velcro area. Now let me tell you guys this. After wearing this wig for a week, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. This headband, this velcro area has been the most irritating thing. So I would consider myself a big-headed girl, right? Right. They offer you so much velcro, but then they offer you like a little bit on this side. This is as much on this side versus this much on this side. This gets a little frustrating because I've noticed that I do not want to use the combs in this wig, and I don't usually like using the combs in any of my wigs, but I've noticed that there's just not enough velcro area for me in regards to this to provide enough support. Now it does velcro very nicely, and seeing after I've washed this and it hasn't like loosened up or kind of just been like crappy velcro, you guys know what I mean? It's just disappointing at the fact that I like pull the short side all the way back here to attach to like the long side of the velcro, and I run out of the long side. But I feel like that's been my only issue. It's not that annoying because I've just learned how to tuck it. Beware of that. It was sticking out at first, but now I've got it to tuck under the back side of my head. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I would install the wig, and then I'm gonna show you guys that you can flat iron this wig, and when you do flat iron her, she comes out super duper silky. First time I wore her, I actually wore her flat ironed her, I actually wore her flat ironed for a couple of days, and she did manage well. She didn't get puffy or anything, and the weather's been crazy in Houston. It just ain't been it for hair wearers, okay? But this has been it. This I don't really, y'all, I don't stress about waking up in the morning to like fix my hair anymore. I don't have those stressors. They've poof. I bippity boppity booed them out the front door. They're gone. Stop waking up and stressing over your hair in the morning. Get you one of these. And then you need this one for your job. So I'm gonna speed up this install, you guys, and flat iron her and come back to you all in the end. And just like that, guys, we are bobbed out galore. Do y'all see this? Now, she does have a little bit of oil in there, but that's for my natural hair underneath because I've been trying to keep my hair really conditioned. Other than that, she is giving me body, okay, honey? She gives you highlights, professionally done highlights. And I love, love, love the fact that she's like, starts out dark at the roots and then fades into those highlights. So it's not like a crazy look and nobody's like looking at your head like, what is that? Y'all know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean? Y'all got the, if you ever worn a lace wig before, they be trying to spot out your lace. Like, you just get to avoid that, okay? I was in the Chick-fil-A line. Shout out to the girl from Chick-fil-A for noticing my headband wig. She also had a headband wig on, and she was like, girl, is that a headband wig? And I was like, girl, yes, it's a headband wig. You know what's up, team headband? No, it's actually not how it went at all. She just asked me if it was a headband wig, and I told her, yeah. She was like, I have one too. And then I was like, gang, gang. And she was like, gang, gang. Gang, gang in his bed. Gang, gang in his bed. So another great thing about this is that there's no shedding, honey. Ain't no shedding. Ain't no lace. If you don't get one, I'm sorry, okay? She's just too easy to install. She's too cute not to wear, and she gives me work vibes. The most professional headband wig I've seen yet to this day. If you guys have any questions about this wig, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you guys want to buy this wig, the link will be in the description box below. If you guys want the chance to be in a shout out in one of my next videos, make sure you leave your Instagram name below, as you guys will be seeing me rock this wig on my Instagram. You feel me? So make sure you go follow me on all my social media at outlabeled on everything. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.